Time for smoothies. I'm sharing with you 4 different recipes to make some nice smoothies to get in your daily fruit intake. And I'm always game to put stuff in the blender, so let's blend us some fruit. What's up internet, welcome to the video. My name is Tom, I make weekly videos on healthy foods, fitness and lifestyle. If you haven't yet, tell your parents to subscribe to this channel because today I'm making sure you get your daily fruit intake by means of smoothies. And if you want to see the effect of all this sugar on my training, keep on watching because I've included a workout at the end of the video. I recently bought a new blender and up until now I've gone easy on the blender. Now it's time to really test it and make some good smoothies with this blender. If the smoothies fail, I'm blaming the blender and I'll just return it. Let's start with strawberry and banana. Strawberries are made up of 90% of water and contain lots of fiber and antioxidants. A life hack, always fill the blender with the fluid part and then the solid parts to ease the mixing. Fill it up with 250 milliliters of milk and a handful of each fruit. Now for a not so common fruit, this one is called persimmon, kind of tastes like apricot, and I just wanted to try it out in a smoothie. We're gonna mix it with some passion fruit. Now as a kid I didn't really like passion fruit because the contents of it reminded me of snot, as you can see. While it actually is really delicious, just don't eat it with your eyes closed and you're golden. Again, fill up with 250 milliliters of milk and a handful of each fruit. And now for raspberry and blueberry, also rich in antioxidants. Next up is mango. We're gonna add some pineapple with it, because it takes 2 to mango. I'm so sorry. Now a life hack to find the right pineapple in the store. Smell the stem of the pineapple, and if it smells sweet, you've got yourself a ripe pineapple. If it doesn't smell sweet, there's 2 possibilities. Either it's not ripe, or it's not a pineapple. Do this when there's not a lot of people around in the cooling department because it looks kind of shady smelling the bottom of a pineapple. All these smoothies got me in some sort of sugar rush. It's time to do a chest workout and demolish the gym. Let's go. And that's the end of this video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up or comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.